Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable product tracking in Odoo using DEAR ERP. Turning on lot and serial numbers, tracking a product like Bolt, and assigning lot or serial numbers during stock receipt. If you want effortless traceability, clean inventory flow, and a simple step-by-step process, this video is for you. Let's get started. My dear friends, lot numbers help you track products in batches. For example, when you receive 100 bolts together, you assign one lot to the entire group. Serial numbers track each item individually with a unique code, usually for high value items or machines. Both of these tracking methods help with product identification, quality control, and traceability. Odoo shows you exactly where each lot or serial numbers came from, where it moved, and where it is right now. This ensures clean, accurate, and reliable inventory management. So let's see, we give a prompt to Dear ERP and see how things will get executed. This prompt contains create one product name mobile, turn on tracking in Odoo, track mobile product lot and serial number, assign lot or serial numbers when you receive mobile stock. Perfect. This is the complete mobile product with lot tracking. This product was created with the name of mobile and tracking type with lot numbers. And this tracking was already enabled. We want to check here in open Odoo. mm, as in inventory, it will created the mobile product or not. We check here like this, go to products, mobile. It will created and yes, it track inventory by lots. Inventory system is also configured. Lot number is also created with this mobile. We'll want to check here like go to this and product name mobile, go to lot and serial numbers. We check here with the matching of this lot number like lot mobile 001 is matched with new one. Here go to here lot mobile 001 was created. That's it today. If this video helped you understand lot and serial number tracking with Dear ERP, thanks you for watching. See you in the next video.